We're celebrating the Year of the Ox with a Chinese takeout recipe that you can create at home. Howard shows us how to make Chinese spring rolls in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Did you know that today is the start of the Chinese New Year and that it's a tradition to eat spring rolls during it as a way to welcome in the spring? In some parts of the world, spring rolls are made with rice paper, but here in the U.S., the wrappers are more commonly made with flour. They're similar to egg rolls because they're filled with veggies, meat, chicken, or seafood. But spring rolls are typically smaller and are available fried or non-fried, while egg rolls are always fried. Just remember, all egg rolls can be spring rolls, but not all spring rolls are egg rolls. Today, I'm sharing a takeout-style spring roll that's popular here in the States that's filled with traditional veggies like Chinese cabbage, bean sprouts, and carrots. After placing the mixture on our spring roll wrappers, all we do is wet the edges, roll it up, and it's ready to fry. So if you're looking for a fun way to celebrate, you gotta try our crispy homemade version of these. And don't forget the dipping sauce. To get the recipe for our sensational spring rolls, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a welcoming spring-like way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.